Hello guys, this is a quick vlog. I'm here with look, I would like to thank you guys for pushing this channel to a thousand subscribers, and I hope we are going to hit 2000 in a short while. So the video you're going to watch today is a mixture. It's a review for last week. As we all know, we have been on a winning streak for some time. It's a review for last week and just an insight to what's going to happen this week in trading. So as you trade this week, just keep an open mind. The charts look messy, but it's easy to get in quick moves in there. And it's what we have been doing the whole of this week. So thank you guys for 1000 subscribers. We talked about a giveaway. That's one. Benji will come on here and explain how the giveaway is going to be. Thank you guys for subscribing. Those who share the video, thank you too. Let's push it to 2000. Share the video to as many people as you can. The more you share, the more at least people get into the Telegram group and they better your trading in some way, right? So another thing, we kicked on with a new channel. That's on Telegram. That's a new group, and it's doing well. People tend to share what's their insights into the market. They tend to share setups, and if you haven't joined that channel, you can check for the link in the description. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll watch it till the end. The next part is the analysis. Have a good day.